Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am turning into Moxxi from the Borderlands series of video games. Sean plays this game all the time and I really like the character, so I thought I would turn into her. This is a really easy look, especially if you like doing kind of cartoony looks. They're a little bit different. So yeah, let's get started. So to start off this look, we're going to start with a base of white paint all over our face. I'm using the Snazaroo water activated paint. Have our face painted white. I'm going to go in to my eyeshadow palette here, and I'm going to take this red color and I'm going to pop this on the eyelids. Every iteration of her eye makeup is pretty much the same, and it's just kind of a dusty, kind of messy red and orange combination. So I'm going to start with red on the lids. I'm going to go into the orange color right above it and pack this onto the edges. Her eyeliner is kind of just a regular non-winged outliner. So I'm going to throw this on, and then I'm going to bring it down here because she kind of has this like running teardrop sort of effect. So I'm going to do that as well. While I have my liquid liner out, I'm going to add her beauty mark, which is right on her upper lip on the right hand side. Now I'm going back into the red shadow with a big face brush like this, and I'm going to pick up some shadow and we're going to do her blush. I want it to be darker under her eye. I'm going to take a little bit of black shadow and add this in. I'm just tapping it, I'm not smudging it, so this way it won't move around too much. Okay, and now I'm going to add some mascara. Take some black paint and fill in her eyebrows because she just has really thin, dark eyebrows. For her lips, I'm going to use 2 shades of red liner. I'm going to use a light shade and a darker shade. So I'm going to line with the dark shade. I'm going to fill them in with a lighter red so they just stand out a bit more. I use a really red, rich liquid lipstick on top of that. So because she is a video game character, Moxxi does have quite a lot of outlining on her. So I am going to take my brush and do some of the places that she has little details, like around her nose. She has little lines, so I'm going to wipe most of the paint off and create these little lines. Darkened in my nostril, and then just a little kind of swoop on the nose to make it look round. Really light little mark here at the top. It's gonna look really dark right now, but I'm gonna take my brush and kind of tap on top. So it's just a little shadow. And then she also has one here on her chin and all around her lips. And since she is a character in a video game, she does have some other details to her, like little collarbone lines, which I would put about here. There's a small little tick here and one that goes up and up. And then of course she has her heart tattoo right here, which I'm going to draw on with some red liquid liner. Outline it in black as well. She also wears a black choker and I don't have one, so I'm going to paint one on with some black paint. So now I'm going to throw on the hair and finish off this costume. So here is the finished costume. I know this jacket isn't perfectly something that Moxxi wears in the game, but it is the closest thing I have and kind of resembles two of her looks, I think, from Borderlands 2 and from Borderlands 1. So yeah, I have my top hat, there is a feather, it's just falling down back here, and then I just put my hair in like a half bun because she kind of has a saloon girl style hair in some of the games where it is kind of like a bun and like pulled up like this. So if you guys liked this video, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe down below, and check out rest of 31 Days of Halloween, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.